Hi everyone, hope you're all fine. This is Dr. ATEEQ. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Dear students, in my today's session, let me discuss with all of you another software development lifecycle model, which is Agile model here. Okay, when the Agile model should be used by the software company or the software engineer, let me discuss with all of you. First point, the Agile model was primarily designed to help a project adapt quickly to change requests. So this is very important point, change requests. Okay, so in between, if client is requesting multiple changes, then already we know we can use iterative waterfall model. But in iterative waterfall model also, we can't skip some steps. Like whatever the steps given by software development lifecycle, we can't skip those steps. Agile model, here the meaning of agile is flexible. This model, flexibility, whatever the steps you want you can include. If you think that there are some steps which are not necessary for the development of your specific project, you can remove those steps. This is agile model. Here one unique quality of agile model is what steps you want you include, what steps you don't want, better to remove those steps. What is the advantage in doing so? We can save a lot of the time. Okay, and that software can be delivered to the client in time. Is it right? So let us see some more features of this agile model. The main aim of the agile model is to facilitate quick project completion. Yes, we know that RAD model is used to quickly complete the project, but if we want another alternative to RAD model where we can complete the work, where we can complete the software project work as early as possible, means there is one more option of agile model. Quick project completion is the goal. Okay, now next thing. To accomplish this task, agility is required. Here, very important, flexibility is required. What is flexibility here? Adding the steps which you want, removing the steps which you don't want. That is agility here, flexibility. Agility is achieved by fitting the process to the project and removing activities that may not be essential for a specific project. Now we know that every client will ask for different projects. Okay, there are some projects which for those projects maybe designing is not required, because the project is quite simple. At that time you can remove the designing phase. Okay, there is one simple project in which testing is not required. At that time you can remove the testing phase. So if you remove some steps which are not required depending on your project, then automatically we are saving a lot of the time. Is it right? If we save a lot of the time, automatically the project work will be completed early and we can deliver the software to the client in time. So this is how the agile model works. Next, also anything that is a waste of time and the effort is avoided. That suppose you have checked, you have taken the project from the client and you believe that these steps are not required. If they are not these steps are not required based on the project that is proposed by the client. So what you can do, you can remove those steps. If you remove the steps, automatically you are going to save a lot of the time. So anything which is a waste of time should be avoided. Now let us see this diagram now, how this agile model works. Dear students, first of all, requirements gathering as usual. Software engineer will gather the requirements from client, and then the designing phase, and then the construction or iteration where the coding phase will start. Coding, development of program starts, and then testing or quality assurance, testing for errors. If any errors are there or not, automatically the testing will take place, deployment, and then feedback. What is feedback here? Feedback is nothing but the maintenance period as usual. So all the steps are quite common, which are the base of software development lifecycle. In this, suppose you believe that testing is not required because the project which is proposed by the client is very simple and I don't want to spend much of the time in testing, so I can remove this step. This is agility. This is the flexibility that is provided by agile model. Similarly, I don't want to use the design step, design the requirements. Directly from requirements gathering, I want to go to the construction, which means coding. So I don't want the designing phase. So if I remove the designing phase, automatically I will save much of the time. So I will save nearly 3 months of the time. Example, if the project is nearly a 1 year project, then if I just remove the design, I am going to save nearly 3 months of the time. So instead of 1 year, my project will be completed in 9 months. I can deliver the software to the client in 9 months. So this is how the agile model works, and this is how it will make the work to complete in the earliest possible time. Okay, so we are having, my dear students, two models which can be used to complete the work in a short period of time. One is the rapid application development model, which is having very short time period of 60 to 90 days. And next one means it, the next model by which whenever we want we can add the stages, whenever we can't we can, whenever we want we can remove the unnecessary stages, is the agile model. So how we can complete the work in less time by using agile model? With the addition or deletion of the unnecessary or necessary steps. So I hope that you have understood the working of this agile model in detail. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.